All right, I completed the Valvetronic Designs Universal Muffler install this afternoon. Took me a couple hours. I'll post the entire thing on YouTube. I've got it all set in so it's inside the home link now. I can turn it open with this button and close them with this button. And what we'll go and do is we'll start it up with the valves closed, and then I'll rev it up to about 4,000 RPM a couple of times, and then we'll go ahead and open them all the way up and let you hear what that sounds like. All right, all set?
Mm-hmm.